Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore one of the most profound questions of all time. What is the meaning of life? Is there a purpose to our existence? Or are we just a cosmic accident floating through the universe without rhyme or reason? Some say that science can provide us with the answers. From the smallest subatomic particles to the vast expanse of the universe, science has made tremendous strides in understanding the world around us. Through logic and reason, philosophers have grappled with questions about the nature of reality, morality, and consciousness. Ultimately, the search for the meaning of life is a deeply personal journey. Each of us must find our own path and discover what gives our lives purpose and fulfillment. It may be through religion, spirituality, personal experiences, or a combination of all these things. Some find meaning in helping others and making a positive impact on the world. They believe that by contributing to society and making a difference in the lives of others, they can create a more meaningful existence for themselves. For others, the meaning of life is found in the simple pleasures of everyday life. Spending time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies and interests, and finding joy in the present moment can all be sources of fulfillment. In the end, the meaning of life may be elusive and subjective, but the journey to find it is what makes life worth living. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep searching for what makes your life meaningful. Thanks for watching.